Let's talk about status. Not your relationship status, that's none of our business, but your case management status. The thing that tells your team exactly where each case is in its journey. And speaking of journeys, we're about to take you on one through customizing case statuses in SwiftFox. By default, SwiftFox gives you 3 status options when creating a case: new, in progress, and closed. The default is set to new, which works brilliantly for most organizations. But here's the thing, not every organization runs cases the same way. You might need statuses like awaiting information, under review, or escalated. That's where customization comes in. In this lesson, we'll show you how to create your own case management status values so you can track cases in a way that actually makes sense for your team. Let's dive in. First, head to Settings in your feature menu. You'll find Cases. Select that and you'll see a list of your current case statuses. That's closed, in progress, and new, sitting there, ready and waiting. Before we create new ones, it's worth knowing you can edit these existing statuses too. Select any status to rename it, change its color, or even set which one should be the default. The default status is the one that gets automatically applied whenever someone creates a new case, so choose wisely. Now let's create a new status. Select Add a Status. You'll see a row appear where you can give your new status a label. Let's say Under Review for this example. Next, you'll want to select a color. You'll see options labeled as Primary, Secondary, Error, Info, Success, and Warning. Don't worry, these labels have no bearing on how your case status actually works. They're purely for visual organization. Select whichever color helps your team spot cases at a glance in tables and lists. Here's another handy option. You can tick the box to set this as your default status if you'd like this to be automatically applied to all new cases going forward. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save and your new status is added to the list. And now for the satisfying bit. Jump over to any contact profile and head to the Cases tab. Select Create New Case and you'll see your brand new status sitting there in the status dropdown. If you set it as the default, it'll already be selected for you. Otherwise, you can select it from the list along with all of your other status options. Create the case and you'll see the status displayed in your cases table. Complete with the color you chose. Everything matches perfectly. It's as simple as that. You've now got case statuses that work exactly the way your team works. Whether you need 5 statuses or 15, SwiftFox gives you the flexibility to track cases your way. Thanks for watching, and to explore more case management features in SwiftFox, check out our other lessons.